As yesterday I talked to you about the parrot, the sea robber. The appearance of the sea robber was very fearful. He came into the room to harm something, to harm them. This was his motto. To see the physical appearance of the pirate, all the all the animals, all the animals along with Evander became terrified. They didn't know what to do or what not to do. All the little creatures, as the dog, mouse, all fled away. But still the dragon was there. All the creatures, they are making fun of the dragon, that he was very coward. In this very time, in this difficult situation, when the dragon saw the pirate, he opened his mouth and tried to gulp, to swallow the parrot. The parrot was also terrified to see the activities of the dragon. He fired twice, but the bullet did not hit the dragon. And at last, the parrot was completely swallowed by dragon. The parrot was dead. Everyone, those who were hidden inside the room, in their residence, came out and amazed to see the activities of the dragon. Belinda came to her, came to the dragon, embraced her, and everyone embraced her, and the little master started licking Chatana with love. Now in this time, the dragon, whom they said coward, became the hero of that time. So everyone started praising the activities of the dragon. Ink and blink. They are happy and started moving around, to circle around the dragon in amusement, because the dragon had already eaten the parrot. The little dog master said, if I were double times brave, if I were, and really nobody mourned at the death of the pirate. Everybody became pleased to see the dragon and to see the pirate dead there. This small master, if I were double braver than him, he would not frighten. Ink and blink also say, if they were double 3 times braver, they would not be feared. The custard was also considered as the brave man as he was. And so there, the custard was also agreed with the proposal that was given by the young prince. And he said that everybody, those who are living in that very house, were braver than him. This was the statement of the dragon. This shows how noble, polite was the dragon. Now, Belinda still lived in her house, White House, with her pet animals, dog, mouse, cat, and the dragon. And they were also inside the vehicle. They live also inside the vehicle. And they also were mocking at the dragon. Brenda became fearless to see the activities of the dragon. Now she realized herself that the dragon was not a coward. He helped them at the time of peril. Really, he was the hero of that very activities. And now everyone realized that they were brave as the lion, as the tiger, because the ink and drink used to chase, had power to chase. The ink and drink had power to chase the tiger and the lion down the stairs. Mustard was also as brave as the tiger when it becomes very rare. But still, the dragon still wanted a safe, nice case for him. Really, boys, in this poem, the poet represents a beautiful universe of the animals that were kept as a pet in Belinda's house. Belinda loved all the creatures very well. All the creatures were important for her. Really, in the universe, every creatures are made of God. We should not tease them. We should love, because they are true creator of the God as we are. Even everyone had its own work, own duty in the society to perform different type of activities. Even the small mouse, the kitten, young ones of the cat, has importance in the family, in the house, in the universe. This shows that the poet realized that every little creatures of the universe are important for him or for anyone. This shows the love and affection of the poet towards the animal, because everyone has own quality, and this quality cannot be forgotten. And so we should try our best to do better for the benefit of the others, even to the creatures and the worms too. They are very important in our society, they are very important in our environment, because they also pure the environment. their activity also, even the worm is important in the universe on the land because they because the worms also turns the soil, turns the garbage into a fertile soil. So every creature of the world, every creature has the special qualities that prove that he is also the member of the universe. Every time other creatures like mouse, dog, master, ink, bank and master mocked at the dragon. Because every time, why so? Because the dragon always wanted a nice, safe cage for him. His body was very big. He had no poison to terrify others. But he has capability. But he had capability to harm his enemy. And in all the creatures are capable, all the creatures in the universe are capable to do better for the environment. And this was the reason the creatures were loved and liked by all. This was the view of the poets. Now here some question. The custard always cried that he wanted a safe cage. Why so? Really, the dragon wanted to take rest. The other creatures, those who were inside the house, they are teasing him to avoid the teasing of the other animals. He wanted a safe place to take rest. And he was also called coward. Why so? Because the other animals of the house, they are making a adventurous work in the house, except the dragon. This was the reason, you see. When the pirate was devoured by the dragon, everyone amused to see the heroic work of the dragon. They, first of all, they ignored him, but now they embraced him. They started digging on his body with love. This shows that any fearful animal can be made pet if we show mercy, love to them. And from the next day, footprints, the first chapter of the footprints will be started. Now this is the end of the day.